Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're going to be checking out the Kyber network. So it's currently being listed as the KNC on Binance. So if you're holding on to this coin, please be sure to hit that notification bell because I will be giving a lot of updates regarding the KNC in the upcoming months. So if you are trading this coin, please let me know. Hit that like button. I would definitely like to know if you are trading the KNC and what do you think about the KNC. Is this one of these shit coins, or do you think it's a great coin which has tons of potential? Please let me know. By the way, I trade since 2017 and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto enthusiast. I do anywhere from 1 to 2% per trade, and I do anywhere from 30 to 40 trades a day, which brings me in 30 to 40% approximately in gains on a daily basis. So if you want me to teach you how I do that, please be sure to be a subscriber because you do not want to miss out on this. So without further ado, let's check it out. The KNC is currently being traded at $2.07 on Binance, and the past 24-hour volume is at $49 million, which is, it's a medium kind of volume. Consider the fact that most coins on Binance trade for, $1 billion. So this is definitely one of these medium type low-end range coins that are traded. Sometimes they get popular because of the pumps and the news on Twitter and on their websites, but at this point it's it's a fair trade. Sorry about that. So if we zoom in a little bit and see what has been going on, so as you can see, I'm on a daily pump right now. So this is the daily candlestick view, and as you can see, it is kind of riding on this, bullish support line. And the bullish support line is actually good, but the fact of the matter is there's tons of bearish actions going on. The most notable are these that you see right here. So they're huge. First you get this small one right there, and then a little bigger, a little bit bigger, and then it just keeps on exploding, right? Well, this is because people get excited, and at some point, unfortunately, it all blows up. And here's what happened. As you can see here and here and here, all of these huge purchase pumps, they add weight onto the market. And when they add weight, everything collapses. This is a sad reality of crypto. And if you're into crypto, you have to accept risk. Me, myself, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto enthusiast. So people in the comments sometimes write something like, hey, Mark, you're doing great on predictions. And others are like, hey, Mark, you're not doing great on predictions. Well, sometimes the predictions work, sometimes they don't. That's the reality. So, you got to do your own research. And don't you dare complain because this is not financial advice. I'm literally telling you what I think. This is my opinion. So, please form your own opinion, and I definitely want to know your opinion in the comments. This is why I believe that YouTube is important. There's this Discord that can happen, and great and critical discussions can arise from that. Now, having 4 years of experience, I do know what can happen to a coin in specific time frames. For example, right here, you will be able to come back to the channel and see that I was right in the predictions. Basically, look, when there's this huge slump going on of purchase orders, that's huge, right? Like in the past, as you can see, you can just compare here. There's not a lot of volume, and right here, there's a lot of volume for the purchase orders. So when this happens, it adds a lot of weight for the oncoming buyers. Let's say you're a new crypto investor and you come in and you buy this coin. Well, all of this weight is going to be sitting on top of you right here. So this is actually going to crash the market, unfortunately, because of this weight. So here's the thing. Sometimes the market is volatile, sometimes it's not, but let me just zoom in and see what is going on. So you can clearly see what happened here for a rather long period of time. The order volumes are quite low. And then all of a sudden, boom, this huge explosion of orders. And this is a great signal for the traders. Actually, for the holders out there, this is a great, great coin. Although for the flippers out there, forget about it. This thing's gonna crash a little bit. It's probably gonna go look for the middle price range agreement at approximately 1.85. So $1.85, that would be its next step. Then it's probably gonna bounce simply because it has a breakout trajectory, as you can see right here. This is the breakout trajectory, and right here was the bearish trajectory. So that's the thing, right? Like when you have breakouts, there's some optimism forming. Although you can clearly still see that the price agreement is kind of the same since already multiple days. So it's probably going to change its levels, although it is going to bounce on this trend right here, which is a very, very bullish trend. So definitely this coin had a lot of blood to it, unfortunately. So people lost a lot of money. You can see the red right here. That's a bleed from the people that are actually selling at a loss, or they're actually flipping on the bearish slump. And I will show you how to do that, because you can still make money, tons of money, when there's a bearish slump. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. So for the predictions for June, well, we're in the beginning of June, right? So we have a very unstable Bitcoin. I'm glad that it has the price that it has right now, because this basically means we're going to see a Bitcoin and altcoin season, meaning that if it stays stable, a lot of altcoins are actually going to blow up or are going to be stable so that you can do tons of flips. So for the holders, this is a great time to invest, because as it stabilizes right here, well, you've already seen the price ranges that it can attain. So it will probably get to this price range approximately in June, which is 2.5 bucks. So you're going to be doing quite a good percentage right there. So for the holders for the month of June, this is great. As for the flippers, not so great. You gotta wait just a little bit for it to be bouncing on and off. But definitely a good opportunity. It will be bouncing between the $2 range and the $1.3 range for the rest of the mid-June section of the June month. So guys, you don't agree, you agree, please let me know. I would definitely want to know your opinion. So let me know in the comments if you want me to review this coin maybe in a little bit more depth, just to understand what it does. And for those of you that don't know what it is, well, it's an on-chain liquidity protocol that allows decentralized token swaps. Kyber is an on-chain liquidity protocol that aggregates liquidity reserves to allow instant and secure token exchange in multiple decentralized applications known as dApps. In 2019, Kyber ranked as the most widely used decentralized finance application on Ethereum. That's the thing, right? Like, this is the trend since already quite a few years, decentralized finance. So guys, anyways, let me know what you think, and see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.